Okay, so this is how to withdraw from Unimex Exchange. You open your Unilive account, your Unilive app. Then you go to circle, click the circle, and click this Unimex EX. Okay, click the Unimex EX, and you go to pledge. Okay, so click the pledge and click my asset. Click my asset. Let me show you this one. This is the my asset. Okay, this is my asset. So we click the my asset. After you click the my asset, you click transfer. So you click this transfer. Then you will see from staking to exchange account. We are going to send from staking to you to exchange. So we click this all. You can click all. Or let us say let's just put 1390. Then click confirm this one. This confirm. Okay, click this confirm. Then it will require a verification code. You need to click first this get. Okay, click this get. After you click the get, okay, let us click. You will see there's a timer. Then check your email. Check your email for the code, for the verification code. And yeah, the verification code in my email is 5567. Confirm. So it's already confirmed. You see transfer successful, close. You will see available balance is already 0. Then go to the main menu. Okay, this is the main menu. This is the main menu. Click that and click this asset management. This is the asset management. You will see there asset management. It's already here. It says 555. But this is the Unimex. Okay. So the Unimex is already here 1471. You click the bill. You will see the transactions. Oh, this is USDT. You click the UNX. This one, the bill. Oh, the bill in the UNX is 1390. So 1390. Okay, so that is 1390. Let us withdraw around around 400. Okay, what we need to do is we need to sell. Okay, we click the main menu, go to exchange. Then once you're ready the exchange, you see here, this is the Unimex, and we need to sell the Unimex. So we click that, click the sell. Then there is available balance of 1471. What we need to do is we click this limit, click the market, that is the best rate. Then we put let us say we put 400. Okay, it's not sure. Oh, this one, 400. So we sell this 400 to USDT. So you click the sell. Okay, order submitted. You can also check that at the bottom, order history. You sell 400. Then you will see, go back to, wait, go back to, where is that? The main menu, and click the asset management. you will see we already have $140. So from this one, we click the withdrawal is we click this 140. So we will withdraw. First, before you withdraw, you need to add the address. Click this plus, this is small one. This one, the small like paper, click that plus and enter the tag. Let us say this tag big. This is for my Binance. Then the network is BIP20. The address, let me get the address. Address is here. Okay, copy the address, go back again. Then we put the address here. Okay, then submit. Click the submit. Verification code. This is the Google Authenticator. Go to the Google Authenticator. 239256. Confirm. Fund password. Okay. Withdrawal address added successfully. So after you already added the address, you can now click the withdrawal. Click the withdrawal address. It will show you like this one, BIP20, Big Binance. Then BIP20, withdrawal minimum is 5. Then receive the amount, okay, 140. Then click the withdrawal. It will give again for the verification code 688. Oh, it already changed. 977148. Confirm and your security for the PAN password. Okay, withdrawal request has been submitted. It's under review. You will see this one, withdrawal records. So let us wait. It says frozen. So let's wait because it will be processed. So we need to wait from the management to process the withdrawal. Okay. So that's it. That's how to withdraw. Then let us just wait on the Binance account. Thank you.